Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a creative day. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom blog using CMS in Wix Studio. Now, why should we do that when we already have the blog app in Wix Studio? The first main reason is using the custom blog, you can create your own layout. So unlike the Wix blog, where you can only change a few things around, in the custom blog, you will have access to a lot more design feature. For example, you can add animations. You can decide where you want to add certain element of your blog. For example, you can add the title in an entire new section. You can add the image as a section background and so on. The second and the most important reason for me personally is that using the custom blog will help you increase the performance score of your blog articles. Okay, so it's a very important deal, especially when you are comparing with other website builders like WordPress and Shopify, which have a relative high score in performance. So using the custom blog will help you increase the performance score up to 97 and 98 for desktop. So that's a big deal. There are some trade-off as well. For example, you will lose advanced SEO features, and you won't have access to the advanced blog editor. But looking at the modern search engine algorithms, I will say that it's a easy trade-off. The advantage are far better compared to the the things you lose. So without further delay, let's get started. First, I'm going to set a quick website style. Okay, now to create the custom blog, you will have to add the CMS first. So I'm going to add the CMS in my Wix Studio website. Another thing you should know that the blog articles you can add is limited by the number of CMS items you have in your plan. But I will say in most cases you won't need that because normally you won't add that many blog articles. So you can add up to 300, 400 posts maximum in 1 to 2 years. So I won't worry about that. Okay, once you are done with the CMS, go to your collection and let's create a collection for our blog article. So let's create with AI, or you can start from scratch. Let's give it a name and then add a detail about the CMS collection. A blog collection with title, image, SEO tags. What else we have? We have the content. Let's leave it at that for now. Click on next and hit create collection. Okay, so we have the blog articles right here. Let's add some more fields for our blog. So one important thing is the date. So let's add this. The post created on. After that, we will need some SEO heading and description. So let's add that as well. We will need a description. We already have the SEO tags here, so we don't need that. For now, we have the content, the title, the image, all the important settings are here. Now close this and let's start creating the post page. The first thing we're going to create is add a dynamic page. So let's create a list page first. Select the list page and click on add to site. This will automatically add the title and image, but we have to connect the images for now. So Let's go here. For alternative text, I will add the title. For tooltip, we don't need that. For link, we're going to add later on after we add the item page. So let's leave it for now. You can design all sort of layout, like if you want to add different layout for your blog articles. And that's the beauty of using the custom blog. We're going to design it in a minute, but first let's create item page as well. So add dynamic page, add a blank page, and add to site. This page is where we will show the articles. All right, add data set here and select articles. Okay, now we will add all these elements on our page. One thing I want to change here is change the type of this from simple text to rich content. Yes, change fill type and confirm. I'm going to quickly import some blog articles from my website. So this is where you will write your blog content. You can open it like this and add your blog right here. Okay, so this is just like the blog editor you have inside the Wix Studio. In SEO tag, write your tags. So you can write any tags, separate them by comma. We are going to use this for the SEO. Select the date on which you have published the article. Add your SEO title. The character limit should be 60 character. SEO meta description, the character limit is 150 characters, so no more than that. All right, and click on save. Okay, now let's start creating the post page. The first thing I'm going to do is add the cover image like this and connect it to the image of my article. The alternative text connects to the title, or you can add a separate field for alternative text of your blog. But for this case, I will suggest using either the title or the SEO title. We don't have to connect the tooltip or the link, so you can leave it that. After that, we're going to add the main heading. So for this one, I'm going to go with the H1. Design the text a bit, set a limit for the font size. Okay, and connect this to the title of your blog article. So we have the title right here. In the next section, we will add the content we have. So what I'm going to do here is I will add a sidebar. So you can go to Layout Tools, Section Grid, and add this, or you can simply do this from the section itself. Make it like this. And in this section I will add my blog content, and in this section you can add anything you want, like the tag cloud, or you can add products, or anything you want you can add it right here. In this section I'm going to add the rich content. You will find it in the CMS. So add rich content, add it like this. Okay, go to settings, and let's make some changes. So if you want to change the fonts and anything, you can do that from here. After that, go to the connections, select your data set, and connects to the rich content like this. All right, so as you can see, we have the entire blog article right here. Now, if you want, you can make changes in this rich content. So if you want to add corners, borders, the colors, and practically anything, you can do that right here. So for example, for quote style, I will change the color. And for text style, I will keep it black. For heading, I will change the color again. For H1, we don't need that because we already have the H1 right here. Okay, so that's the blog article. One more thing I'm going to do is add some bottom margin. So 80 pixel is good. Let's set 40 pixel on top. Right, so we have the blog right here. Now let's change some things for mobile as well. So let's first decrease the height a bit, and let's hide the sidebar like this, and we have the blog post for mobile as well. Now let's publish the website once and see the performance score of this page on the page speed insight. Alright, so this is the blog article we have right here. As you can see, the entire article is like this. Let's see the page speed score of this blog article. Okay, so we have 55 on the mobile devices and 87 on the desktop. So we can increase the speed score. Let's make some changes. Let's decrease this from here. Let's see where we can improve it. So the layout shift, it needs to be improved. So let's add a docking to the bottom, and this in pixels. So let's add 40 pixels like this. Let's change this to pixel as well, and this to pixel as well. Also, let's change the responsive behavior of these sections and section grid. So let's change this one to fixed, and this one to scale proportionally. Okay, that's good. This one from mixed to fixed height, and let's see the score now. Also for mobile devices, I think we can decrease the height a bit and change the font size from 42 to 32. And decrease it like this. Okay, the same goes here. Okay, hit publish, and now let's check the speed score. of the blog article. So now the content is not stretched and we have a fixed distance from the sides. Okay, so as you can see, we now have the speed score of 99 on the desktop, okay, which is amazing. Let's do one more thing here to further improve the score for the mobile devices. I'm going to go to the settings and click on trim and set the number of paragraph to 6, okay, and here I will set the text to read more. And for this one, I'm gonna set it to collapse. Okay, and what it does is that for long articles, it will show just a bit of the content first, and if you want to read more, you can hit on this button, and it will, extend the entire content. This will help us increase the score for mobile as well. So as you can see, we now have the read more right here. Click on it and it will open the entire content. Now let's check the speed score again. 99 is very good for desktop, but we need to improve a bit for mobile as well. If you use the Wix blog app, it will be like 40, 42, or even less than that. For desktop though, you can get up to 60 or 70, but that's not comparable to the 99, of course. Okay, so we have 56 and 99. Just one number more. We can improve it more. So let's go to the mobile and let's decrease the content, the paragraph a bit more, like this. Let's change it to just 4 here. Let's also hide the image for now. Let's see if this helps us increase the speed score. Okay, so now we have 67, which is good. Um, but this is not the website, the version we have just saved, because we still have the background. So I think there is a lag in the live update. So let's redo this. Even without hiding the background image, we had 67, which is good for mobile devices. Way better than the Wix Studio blog app. Okay, so now we have 71 after hiding the background image, which is amazing. For desktop, we have 99, which is amazing. The accessibility, best practices, SEO are all 100, which is amazing. Now let's go ahead and make some changes in the SEO settings. So in order to do that, you have to go here, SEO basics. For the SEO heading, you can add SEO meta title. For SEO tags, SEO meta description, you can add the description here. For the page's keyword, you can add the SEO tags. All right, so this is the SEO for the article. But this is how you can create the blog content for your website, a custom blog. Now, a couple important tips here. When you create the blog like this, make sure to add the links to other article in this content. Okay, so you can go to your connection, your CMS collection, and in the rich content, you can link any keyword from another article. So I can select, for example, this, and let's say this is my another blog in the custom blog. I can set this as a link. Okay, and this will help me increase the internal link structure, internal linking, which is a very big SEO factor. Okay, so in the blog we had the hashtag system, so you can simply add the hashtag and create an internal link structure. But here we don't have that, so we have to use this method to add some internal linking. So this is how you create the custom blog. I will create another video where I will show you how you can add the blog category and the tags. So when that's done, I will drop the link in the description, or you can subscribe and get the notification. Either one is cool. All right. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.